Okay, so my name is Jack, and I'm from GVS, and right now I'm in the this year's GEBD Guangzhou Electrical Building Technology Exhibition. So behind, in the back of me is our booth, the GVS booth, as you can see right here. So let's go in there and see what we have for this year's exhibition for these audiences. So it's a little bit crowded. As you can see from here, this is the main tunnel of this hall. As you can see, that side is still quite crowded. 你可以往那边看一下. Yeah, it's a very big exhibition for the smart building in China. It's just like the Chinese version of Frankfurt Light and Building. So let's jump in. So as you can see right here, this is the receptionist of our booth, and on the left side, big TV playing the video, showing everything about GVS, about the projects we've done, about the products, and about the home and building solutions we have offered to our customers globally. It's in Chinese because it is a very typical Chinese exhibition. So walking into this showroom, or let's say the booth, the first thing we have seen right here is the WALS series Touch Plus Pad in front of us, because this is the latest product we have in GVS, and it's a very the best-selling product from all our catalog. As you can see from right here, we have push buttons, and we have touch panels to control all the Kinect functions in our system. And as you can see from here, we can have a plastic version, which with the plastic buttons, which you can use laser to curve different icons, and with the backlight also. And as you can see here, you can have touch functions to choose all these functions you can have here, and the scenarios. And of course, you can have a very extraordinary function, like you can set all these buttons by yourself. You know, before it was like you can only have fixed Kinect functions in Kinect buttons, but right now, as you can see here, we can try to define which button with which function. Okay, let's say, yeah, of course it's Chinese version for air conditioner. We can set the air conditioner as a lower button of this lower part of this button, and we confirm. And we can let's say set another curtain to the other pair of button, and confirm. And we can set the RGB on the left part of the upper button, and we confirm. And we can set another scenario to this button. So which means that you don't have to rely, I mean the end user don't have to rely on ETS anymore. As long as they want to set these buttons to different functions, they can do it. I mean, you can set have different combinations in winter and in spring with the different functions. So that's the best part of it. And besides from the WALS Touch Plus Pad, we have also right here the button series, the KinoWALS Push Button Pro series. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 fold, as you can see here. And of course, the button itself has both the plastic button and the metal button. And on this part, we have another few type models of the WALS push buttons. As you can see, this is the 1 fold, and the 2 fold, the 2 fold, a 3 fold, and 4 fold. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 buttons here. It's a typical Kinect buttons. So there are a lot of customers, they will ask, when we already have the WALS push buttons, how can we have more? I mean, accessories to pair with these buttons. Let's come to this side. So as you can see from here, this is a 4-fold WAS push button. We have also a whole series of accessories like sockets, sockets for TV and network. We have emergency panel, and as you can see here, we have also a frame to hold these two kind of devices together, to hold the accessory and the push button itself in the same line. So basically, this is very good for the decoration part. And let's come to this part. This is the video intercom part. As you can see, this is one of the latest binocular touch outdoor station we have in GVS. So it's with the face recognition function. It's with face recognition function, so you can unlock your door with the face recognition. You can use the QR code to let your friends in. And you can also use the IC or ID card to unlock the door. You can have the intercom with the indoor station, with the management center, and with the different apartment in the same community. And right here we have also a 10-inch touch panel. It's one of the latest product too. We call it the KNX Smart Touch Z10. So basically in this touch panel we have integrated full function of KNX and video intercom. So for KNX we have a different kind of way to show customers the functions. So as you can see, we can have a floor plan. On this floor plan we can have different functions laying out here, and we can even add it by ourselves. We can move this light here, and move this light here, and then we confirm, and then the lights have moved here. And you can have all these functions also in least way. So basically, as you can see, so when you're having a smart home, why not have a floor plan to have all these icons on the floor plan, so that you can find all the functions anytime, anywhere. So besides this touch panel is purely KNX. It's not a converter type, because a lot of touch panels in the market, they use KNX RS-485 to convert the signals of KNX to RS-485 and received by the device, but we are purely KNX and intercom. So coming to this side is one of the relatively older device of the 7-inch outdoor station. As you can see, I have just unlocked the door by my face, because my face is recognized by the outdoor station. And on the back side, there is a KNX power supply. So basically, it doesn't really have a very essential difference compared to the current power supply, but we have two parts that is better than 01. So first thing is 640 milliampere, but it's smaller. Okay, so before it was like this big, and the second part is that we will have more indicative lights to show that how much power has been consumed from this power supply, so that the planners and the installers or the programmers, they will know, okay, how much devices I can still connect to this bus. So this is the power supply we're going to have in the later this year. And on this part is one of our classic multifunctional thermostat and KNX push button sensor plus. We have 1, 2, 3, 4-fold KNX buttons, and this has been sold to a lot of customers. I think about 30K pieces per year. Being sold globally, not only in Europe, but also in the rest part of China and the rest part of the world. And we have the thermostat, the 1, 2, 3, 4 fold push button, and we have also a printable template, so that you can use a laser printing machine to print logo and instructive messages on it to show what function of this button is. And of course, we have adapted it to a bigger frame, which is to fit the 86 millimeter wall box in China. And this side is also a walls, so we'll just jump. So next is the KNX Smart Touch V50 and the KNX Smart Touch V40. So this is also one of the main series of touch panels we are offering to the market. So it's not a new device, but we got a lot of good feedbacks from the market. We have different colors. We have white, we have black and white color, and we can have all functions like we can adjust the temperature. We can adjust the temperature, and we can have to set different models, fan speed, and all these typical KNX functions, scenario, and lighting, dimming, all the KNX functions we can do it. And as you can see, there is one thing which is very important, that is that we don't have to remove the device to program, because we have a KNX. Welcome back. I'm sorry because we have a bit signal reception problem here, so we're out of control for a bit while. So let's continue the introduction about the touch panels we have. So this is the V50 and the V40, and we were just talking about one of the good feature that the touch panels have, which is that we don't have to remove the device and push that very, very tiny programming button anymore. So we just install connect the device and install it on the wall, and we can just by one touch to make it enter the programming page. And of course, you can have a lot of different settings for, whether you like screen sliding or not, and whether you want the vibration on the device or not. And you have different backgrounds to choose from. And of course, if you have big projects that you need to customize for the background, we support that. And also we have a clean mode, which for you to freeze the screen itself. And of course, you can have a screen brightness adjustment. Let's say if you don't want too bright screens. And the touch volume, you can adjust from the panel itself. Also, for this touch panel, you have all those 8 languages, 8 main languages to choose from, and you can set directly from ATS, including Chinese, English, German, French, and Russian, and other languages. And let's come to this part. We have also a horizontal part, and as you can see, which is it looks much better for the hotels especially, and you can have all those functions, and you can have all the angles of the shutters. You can see. And you can have all this, and the scenarios, dimming, background music. As you can see, RGB, everything. All the KNX functions can be realized from this panel. And right here, you can see the white in white, which is a totally different style, which you can use to decorate different kind of home. Because if your home is light colored decoration, then you better use the white one. But if it's a deeper color, the black one suits much better. And of course, from this wall, we are talking about the KNX Secure, because KNX Secure is one of the conceptions that the KNX Association has been promoting. I think since 2016, but finally we have already something with KNX Secure. As you can see from here, we are the first Chinese company that we have a certified stack for the KNX Secure one in 2021 in September 2021, our first KNX stack with the KNX Cure feature was certified by the association. And of course, right now we have already 3 devices is with KNX Secure features. The KNX IP interface, the multifunctional actuator, and the next generation of the KNX multifunctional panel, which is also a combination of push buttons and display. So for the, apart from the KNX Secure, I would like to introduce you guys another new device we have just launched to the market, which is the GVS Zigbee 3.0 gateway. So this gateway is a very, very revolutionary product, because in the past, when you're doing wiring system, you do just wiring system. And when you're playing with the wireless system, like let's say, no matter Zigbee or Z-Wave, you are doing the wireless system alone. But right now, there's one device that can combine your project with the wiring devices and wireless devices. That is the KNX Zigbee 3.0 gateway we are promoting. So basically, it's a bi-directional gateway, which means that you can control either from the KNX part or from the Tuya app part to control the devices in the whole connected system. So it's a very attractive device for both the KNX programmers or installers, as well as the Tuya or Zigbee 3.0 programmers or engineers, because this is something very revolutionary. No matter you are planning for a new apartment or new project, or you are doing renovation, everything you can consider can be realized by this gateway. So try this KNX Tuya gateway, and you will be surprised for sure. And from this wall, we have a very, a whole collection of all the hardwares we have for KNX, mainly the actuators, switching actuator, dimming actuator, and multifunctional actuator, the system devices, the gateways, the sensors, everything. Because I'm sorry, guys, because we have too many customers right here. I cannot say, hey, you have to move away. No, because everyone coming here is our customer, and I just like to show you the details of these devices. Our camera can pull in, and these details about the devices. And also from here, this is not KNX, but this is something we have been working on for about 3-4 years already. So these devices are mainly going to the North American market. It's surface mounted. It's called the smart Wi-Fi thermostat. We can have very flexible control ways for these 2 models. We can use either an app developed from ourselves and the app from Tuya, because it's Tuya compatible. And this is a standalone product for the HVAC system. So if any of you guys are interested, you can leave us a message also from on this live channel, because this is something really good, because it's a standalone device and you can use it very easily, and it's something quite like Nest. And if you guys are ever interested, you can leave us a message. Okay, and right from here is for the video intercom part. So basically, it's the Jam series intercom, which we have just seen in the other part. As you can see, we can let's say have a face recognition unlock. I didn't register from this machine, but as you can see from here, we can unlock by the face, by number, and by card. And as you can see here, this is also a Z10, which we have just shown you. We can adjust the shutter and all other functions from this panel. And for this part, is the 8-inch binocular outdoor station, and I'm using my face to unlock the door. And all these functions we have just already introduced from the other pillar, so I won't repeat that, but I can show you guys one of the latest outdoor station of 10-inch. It's very slim, and it's with all the functions, but it's purely for video telephone function. It's not with KNX, but this set of H series intercom is one of the best intercoms we are producing. And coming to the next part is the small medical care solution we're offering to the hospital ward or to the elderly care center, because we can call directly from the patient bed, and then the ward door station will have a red light, alert light coming out, and then if I'm a nurse, I can see through this gallery and see which door is a red alert. So I'll just go to that door and I say enter caring, and then it turns green, and this patient will be cared. And also here is a nurse-patient information exchange platform, which is totally connected to that medical care part. So it's a station in the let's say in the nurse station. So just put camera here. So when I'm calling from this side, then it will come to the nurse station too, and then I'll say answer, and I can talk to them, and then I can hang off. And these are the videos of the company information. And on this part is for the projects that we have done all over the world. So basically, it's not only for the condoms, but also for the condom villas and the hotels, but also the public constructions, for example, like railway system, railway station system, like international airport, because KNX is a very suitable system for big projects like this. So basically, we have done a lot of projects in China. Of course, we are also having a lot of international customers helping us to get projects like those kind of condos and hotels. And we can come to the back part to see the whole booth we have right here. As you can see, we have a logo right here. And this is, we are telling our customer how important it is for us to have both the wiring system and the wireless system. And this is the KNX 2-YA gateway we were just talking about. Next, KNX booth, and I'll show you guys how KNX booth looks like, because we're just next to each other, we're just like neighbors. All right, follow me. So basically, this KNX booth, let's go to the receptionist and say hello to KNX China. So this receptionist of KNX China, and just give a grand view of the whole booth. Yes. So this is the KNX China booth, and every year and every GEBT and SIBT, which happens in Guangzhou and Shanghai, KNX China will be with these two, main small building fairs. So same with GVS. So let's say hello to GVS, to KNX China. Hello. Hi. So we're doing a video about this exhibition, and we try to show that KNX China is also with us. Can you say hello to the world? On behalf of KNX China. Yes. So he's responsible for KNX China. So I'm gonna go through this whole booth and see what brands are being exhibited in China. So over there we can see ABB and Hug. And we have a big wall of here. All the KNX members, all the KNX China members. which is very famous sensor. And we have other, GILE is also right here. It's a very famous German brand. And also Meanwhile is very, famous for its power supply. Over there is Taichuan and O6. We have something, we have some stuff with the O6. And you can come here. We have Canon Bus, which is very, experienced in gateway. And we have Eastmore, a new member and a very, strong member for the KNX China market. And we have also Morgan, which has some history with Duya and Somfy. And we have also Deep Smart, which is also a very good, gateway manufacturer. And also we have Latour and the Chanshan. And Aurolite, which is very special also in sensors. And Dinake, a very famous video telephone manufacturer. They are doing KNX unbelievable. And also a very international brand, Legrand and Station. And that's everything I can bring you guys. It's a very short conversation, and I'm sorry that we are actually this live has actually signal reception problem, but I hope you guys have already a general on what we are showing and what products are exhibiting to our customers. So if you guys are ever interested in any of the stuff I have just shown you guys, you can just leave a message on the channel or leave a message on the video later on. And you can also write to us by info@gvssmart.com to say if you have any question or suggestion to offer to us. Always welcome. And thank you very much. I'm Jack, and let's see if we can see each other in next Frankfurt Light and Building in October. See you guys.